Hello guys, hello everyone, it's me, Pensky the Unstoppable, and of course with my family. So ayan si Star, si Sky, si Mrs. at yan si Jackie, mukhang napuihing pa. So guys, nag-visit sa amin si Jackie at mukhang wala namang gagawin, kaya sasama siya ngayon sa plan namin na ibili ng tablet ang mga bata. So actually bibili kami Android na ngayon kasi yung iPad ni Star, iPad ni Sky, medyo mabagal na silang gamitin. And para mas madali guys, diyan kami bibili sa may Causeway Bay at Android para madaling gamitin. Kasi usually yung ibang hinahanap nila sa school nila at ginagawa nila sa iPad is kailangan daming babayaran na application. So dito minsan madalas mas maraming free. So ayan ang mga price nila guys, merong 26.99, so 199. So ayan guys, so dollar ang usapan natin kaya medyo napapaisip din ako. At pero yan, ginaid na ni Mrs. So si Sky tsaka si Star namimili. At ayan, tinutulungan naman kami ni Jackie syempre habang namimili si Mrs. So si Sky nagpo-focus at kung ano daw yung gusto niya. So ayan ang gusto niya, mukhang medyo maganda yung napili niya at maganda din ang presyo. Di naman siguro sabay ganun no. Pero sabi ko nga yan, si Star sa kanya okay lang basta si mama daw niyang pumili.
With mama.
So ayan na nga at nagbabayaran na
bata to.
At excited ang bata, pakinggan natin.
Are you singing? Why? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Oh, get now your iPhone.
7 days for
Wow, good job. Wow. You're happy? Sebi? Go, 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 go. So guys, ayun, masaya na. Boom.
At yun na nga guys, tapos na ang bilihan time. So ngayon, pasyal-pasyal muna. Ayan, so then uwi babaya. But excited din ako para buksan mamaya ang kanilang mga nabili. Hello guys, hello everyone, it's me, Pensky the Unstoppable, and of course, mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng mga pinamili namin kaninang tablet. So, kasi yung mga anak ko, so, kaya sinama ko kanina sila, pinapili ko sila kung ano gusto nila. Unang-una kasi gagamitin din nila sa school, so hindi naman kami bibili ng ganun kasi nga meron pa rin silang iPad na ginagamit, kaya lang sobrang bagal. So, kailangan lang namin bumili kasi kailangan nilang gamitin sa school. Ang kagandahan dito, madaling gamitin kasi kapag kasi iPad, so ang daming nilang kailangan gawin. Tapos may limitasyon yung mga ina-download mo, parang gano'n. So dahil naging Samsung user na ako guys, so madali pag sa mga Samsung or sa mga Android yun, so madaling gamitin. So ngayon mag-unbox tayo ng, sabi ko kasi sa mga anak ko, before mag-December kailangan makabili tayo ng mga magagamit nyo. Ayan. So kanina magkakasama kami bumili, so sila yung pumili kanina kay Star tsaka kay Sky. So pamasko na rin namin sa kanila. Siyempre gagamitin naman nila. Star, come here. Can you bring me your iPad? Come here. What are you doing? You playing? You sit here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, say hi to them. Say hey to your pants. Hi.
Hi.
Good. What happened? Oh, you no need to play later. You will play later, okay? Put it this one. So ito yung, yan, ito yung ano niya, mabagal na.
So mine.
Guys, mabagal. What happened to your iPad?
My new iPad is too slow.
Too slow? So we need a new one. Did you remember that we already go to store?
Yeah.
And you love that one? Okay, so guys, this is your iPad. So let's check this one guys. Ito yung mga pinamili namin kanina guys. So actually nagtitipid din naman kami, hindi naman kami ganun kaano. So kailangan lang talaga ng mga bata at syempre kailangan ng mga din. So yan, unbox kami ng Redmi. Ayan, Redmi iPad SE. So this is your new one. Okay, so what we gonna do?
Let's get it out.
Okay, so can you give us Ate Sky anything that we can open this one? Oh, good thing siguro anak, I think. No? Scissor. Okay, can you give me? Okay, good. So, Star, she's the one Just wait, anak, ha? Because this one is like, but you are the one who wants unboxing. Sorry. Just be careful, be careful. Good job. Okay. For a while. You will open. Is that yours? Good. Come on. Mama, are you happy?
Happy.
Yes, that's good. That's good. Wow, good. So this one is how many GB? Check this one. 128 GB, 4 GB RAM. Yeah, so that's good. And when it starts, she will open it. Up, up. Good job. It's hard. Are you happy?
Yeah.
I'll help you.
I can do it.
You can do it? Say hi to your fans and tell them that subscribe.
Hi, my subscriber. Like and subscribe right now.
Okay, good job, guys.
And get my cute little plushie.
Yeah, okay, good. So talagang ito, ano siya talaga niya. So, mukhang ito papalit sa akin, guys. You are also unstoppable? Yeah.
I'm unstoppable.
Yeah, unstoppable.
Anybody who tries to bully me, I'll bully them.
Okay na, guys. So, I will get your phone. I will get your iPad. Okay? It's okay? We will change from this one.
Yeah.
It's okay? So, what you have, check it. Can we open it?
Yeah.
Slowly open. And wait. I think this one. Good. Oh. Okay. And this is your new one. Are you happy? You happy, sure? Oh, this one. I think. Oh. Pop. Come on. Stop. And
I can do it.
yeah, she can do it. Oh, wait. Okay. So yan, guys. Purple color siya.
I love purple.
Yes, love
Purple is my
purple.
favorite
Good. Hold it.
too.
Try to check it. And guys, ano sa loob
Let's
niya? Ayan, dito yung mga charger. Iba-iba. Sa mga gamit niya lahat. So, hindi naman kami ganun kaano sa ano. So, kailangan niya talaga yung magamit ng lens. Kailangan niya gamit, especially na sa school. So, yun lang, guys. Tapos, ito yung housing niya.
Housing.
Yan ang housing niya.
Housing.
So, kung yun nga, bumili kami, 199 din siya. So, ano, okay na rin. At least, combination nito. So, that's it, guys. Are you happy?
I'm so happy.
Okay, so you can open it now.
Can I open this one?
Yeah, it's okay. You will open this on. This is all yours. Okay? So, I will, can natin open?
Yes.
Says, just wait. We're gonna, so, hindi ko alam, guys. Pero, let's try. Just wait. I will try to find, check it, guys. So, the power, I think this one. Let's check. Or this one here. Sorry. Just wait. Come here, son. Look at the camera. Yun. So, guys, ayun na siya. So, are you happy?
Yeah, it looks so cool. I love
Ayan, ayan,
purple.
ayan, guys. So,
We don't need that.
okay. So, Mama, she will help you, okay? And I will guide to Ate Sky, okay? Good job. All good? Are you happy?
Yeah.
So, your iPad and your phone, it's mine. Your phone is okay. I know you need this one, okay?
Okay.
And this is all yours, okay? Are you happy?
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah. It's more bigger than
Yeah,
this
and
one.
Mama and Ate Sky, she will help you how to use this one, okay? Because ako sa totoo lang, hindi ba ako gumamit. Siguro ganun,
It's too
okay?
big, it's too-
So guys, ganito lang. Okay? Unbox natin ulit
Too
pa.
heavy, I think.
Hello guys, hello everyone, it's me Pensky the Unstoppable. And syempre, katatapos lang natin i-unbox yung kay Star sa bunso ko. So ngayon naman yung sa eldest ko naman. So, ang gagawin natin guys is, syempre kukunin ko rin yung iPad niya. Tatanong din natin guys. Although bumili na kami kanina at nakita nila kasi sila yung pumili at kung ano yung talaga kailangan na gamitin para sa mga school nila at yung upgraded na yun. So, let's do it, go. Sky, come here. Yan. So, ito po yung eldest ko. Yan. Malaki pa siya sa akin. So, where's your iPad? This one. Okay. Bakit mo kailangan bumili? Why you need to buy a new one?
Because probably because I've been using it too much and it started running too slow, and I need a more faster working iPad so I can work on my art stuff and homeworks.
And I remember she told me before na may kailangan siyang i-download, and I think we need to pay. So parang kailangan po pambilin, guys. Although okay naman, hindi ko naman okay naman, hindi ko nasisiraan or maganda talaga ang iPad especially. But in general na pag kailangan mo sa school tsaka pang sarili mong gamit, for me, I suggest na Android. Kasi nga, hindi mo kailangan laging may password, hindi mo kailangan bilhin. Kasi maraming application na kailangan bilhin yung iba dito. But sa Android kasi, yung iba halos free naman. So, I will get this one. So, hawakan mo muna yan. And this is the one, ito yung pinili niya kanina. So, Redmi Pad Pro. So, medyo mahal dun sa isa. Medyo advanced at yun nga lang. So, 256 GB. So, tapos 8 GB RAM na siya. So, ganun. Actually, hindi ako masyadong magaling sa mga ganyan. Si mama nila, si Mrs. So, you can unbox this one, anak. Malaki na siya, kaya niya unbox to. So, I will help you from this one. Okay, okay. Check. You will use this for your
Homework. Homework.
wait, anak yun. Okay. So, okay, you will open that. Good. Okay lang, guys. Good. So, kung ito, bibili na lang ako yung pang safeguard na lang ang bibilin ko. Yung pag ano, no? Nokia, nakakamiss yung ganun. Okay, good. That's it, good. What we have. Can you open it, anak? Tapos, wait. So, pagkatapos, ito, binili din namin siya ng housing. So, yung housing niya, yan, $199 din yata to, mama? Am I right? No? So, $199 din. Medyo mabigat, pero kailangan kasi mas maganda safety. So, and meron siyang ang tawag dito na Redmi Smart Pen. Good. So, ayan guys. So, i-unbox. O, ikaw na mag-open yan, anak. Good. Open it. Good. Yan. So, yun lang. Tama-tama guys, pag-open na ano niya. Kasi marami din mga project na ginagawa to. So, good para sa kanya yan. And, I don't know how to open this one. But mas excited kasi ako makita kasi alam ko itong housing lang to eh. So, okay lang. That one, you can open it. Good. Ito muna. Okay, wow. Excited pa ako, no? Okay, open it. Kahit hindi naman pakita na yung mga charger kasi usual naman ito may charger na yan. May mga ano na yan. So, habang binubuksan niya, ako na yung tutulong. Ayan. Guys, good. At kanina hindi ko na pinakita yung ka-install eh, kasi excited yung bata. Actually gusto niya gamitin. Kaya pinamadali niya ako. Wala pa eh. So, yun. Kaya kanina guys, nabilis ko yung ginawa. Then after that, yung ano pa ba ng mga nandito? Yung mga papel lang niya. Yung charger, free. Ito yung mga papers niya na. Guys, good. So, that's good. Can you open it?
Yep, I've already opened it.
Already open it?
It's much bigger than my old one.
Oh, you open already? I mean, open. Open already. Yeah. So it's bigger than your old one, no?
Yes. It's comparison.
So I will get this one, okay? So yan na yan. So yung mga I think mga things mo dito kailangan ilipat, mama, no? So,
Yeah,
ilipat.
hindi.
So okay, so ganun na lang. So ilipat mo muna pala yung mga ano mo. Kasi kay Star wala naman siyang problema. So okay lang daw sa kanya. So mga new picture, ako na bala doon. So yun lang. So yan na guys ang view niya. So what do you want to say, nak, no?
Yes, thank you po,
Good.
Papa.
And kay mama, syempre.
Mama, thank
Of course,
you.
okay. So, yun na yung pamasko namin sa kanila, guys. So, yun lang, guys. Stay safe and always God bless to everyone. So, happy lang. And pitipid din kami, guys. Kaya, wala mo ng mga iPad. Pad lang, yan. So, guys, keep safe and God bless.
God bless.
Be unstoppable. Come on, camera.
Unstoppable.
Boom. Oh. So guys, yun lang. So, yan, naibigay ko na yung dalawa. Are you happy, guys?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to Mama?
Thank you, Mama.
And Papa, of course?
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
So, yun lang guys. So, naibigay na natin yung mga pamasko nila. Yan daw pamasko nila. So, yung mga to sa akin na to. Although gagawin, may gagawin pa si Sky dito. Then ito kay Star sa akin na. Kasi may gagawin ako dito. So, pwede natin gamitin niya. Bala na si mama niya. Anyway guys, thank you for watching for this one. And we want to say thank you sa mga blessing na dumarating sa amin. Para sa amin yan. So, thank you and always keep safe and God bless guys. So, what we call this? Redmi Pad Pro and the other one is SE. Yeah, Redmi SE. So, okay na guys. So, happy na lahat. Okay? Keep safe and God bless. What do you want to say? We are B. Okay, again. Okay, stay safe always and God bless to everyone. Okay? So, stay fit and healthy and be